That's me. Hi guys, so we have started again. We are doing a charity work for Ifeso Town, which is we are distributing PMs. So yeah, so we are starting from Jets. So now we are going to Jets. With one of the finalists. So Bonagana Konaya. Pumping. Okay, looking fly. So Bonagana again. Sengiyonibonisa mase sifika phambili ngilambile angizange ngakhona ukuveza nje before this because it was a little bit hectic, but ke masibangeneni for ama-pets like bokuse inati.
Yeah.
Nice. Bathini? Kanti nomama lona one because bengicabanga ukuthi ibhokwe bakery.
Huh?
Bengicabanga ukuthi we-bakery.
I-bakery supermarket.
Manje uthengisa ama-pets?
Kune-supermarket ngalapho inside kune-bakery.
Oh, okay. Ifake iseshi yakho ke. Yo, hayi shemijethi kude sana. Masesihamba sokugangile. Abantu abaningi today bayalova Thembi. Fortunate. Kumele nje yena uthulile akhuluma next. Ngazi ukuthi ngoba indaba yama-pets so. Like mana bamela communicate hasho phela. You understand? Mara labafana bayawayenza ama-pets so.
Bathi akafuni. So
Yeah.
let this time kuvela abantu sengibuye. Kuyafana sengijoyinile. Ngewu.
So now, what was the whole reason for you to join?
Like ngiyayithanda. Njalo ngifuna ukubukela ku-TV yabona. Yabona le.
So was it kanjani ngayo?
Imodeli ngiyala ifanta. Njalo siswami. Awusisomba abayifuni.
Okay. So guys, niyenzile nama-group wenu? Nakusuka i-group leader kanti?
Mina. Angazazi.
Nani-check ama-message. Guys, nani-check ama-message.
Ubhalanga uJipho or ubani?
Dimpa, kusuka i-group leader this week.
Akusuki.
Makuwe senzeni sishaye or yo guys, ngikhohlwa njani? This is very important. You need to check each and every week makuba nama-update. The next person okulandelayo uyozoba i-group leader next week.
Did you? What do you want to do, guys? Hi.
Shoot.
Yeah, she's on.
So alifika. So manizobuya senisazobuya ni-MV bese khana no-actor or
Masingena simama. Bese masayicala bathi. So mutho like ke tlo bua se re bua like. Are you typing engwe ka na ke tsela tsa gale? Yeah, qala bese ba se